Welcome to this video guide presented by PureData, where we will show you how to use the PowerSchool Behavior Plugin. This tool simplifies tracking student behavior across the admin and teacher portals. Since it's seamlessly integrated with the PowerSchool core application, the steps are intuitive and straightforward. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to create and manage behaviors as an administrator. If you're a teacher using PowerTeacher, the process is exactly the same. Let's get started. First, log into your PowerSchool admin account and access the Behavior plugin from the left-hand menu. If you're in the new Enhanced User Interface, the plugin should be under the Applications menu. This will serve as your gateway to creating new behavior entries or reviewing existing reports. To add new behaviors or enter general logs, click the Multiple Student Entry button. On this page, you can search for individual students by name or select a group of students, then individually choose them by checking the box next to their names. Let's continue by selecting a few students for this demonstration. Once you've made your selections, click Create Behaviors to proceed to the data entry page. At the top of this page, you'll find the option to select recipients for email notifications. You can choose to inform students, parents, or administrators about the entry. For this example, we'll select the guardian, administrators, and our assistant principal, Dr. John, to ensure they're all informed. Next, provide details about the behavior in the section below. Based on your access, you'll be able to choose between negative behaviors, positive behaviors, and other options from the drop-down menu to specify the nature of the behavior. For instance, selecting negative behaviors might reveal options like cell phone use, while positive behaviors could include empathy or perfect attendance. In our scenario, we'll opt for negative behavior and specify cell phone use. This granularity allows for precise tracking and reporting of student behaviors. For schools utilizing a point-based system, this is where points can be assigned to each behavior. If your school doesn't use this system, the option will be disabled. We'll also select the location of the incident and provide a detailed description. It's essential to include as much detail as possible for accurate reporting and administrative review. In the Teacher Action field, document any immediate actions taken, such as call a parent or remove the student from class. This information is crucial for understanding the context and response to the behavior. A key feature of the plugin is the ability to escalate issues to administrators via the referral option. When toggled, it sends an automatic notification to administrators with your detailed report, enabling them to review and take necessary actions. Think of it as opening a ticket in a help desk system, where the issue is addressed and resolved with feedback provided. For efficiency, if you're reporting similar behaviors for multiple students, the Copy Below button allows you to replicate the entered information across all selected students. You can then individually change the information if you would like to. After accurately completing all fields, submit your report. You've now successfully logged the behavior incidents.